Hey guys, it's Ashley with 3R Sales and Service. Today we are taking a look at a 5x10 single axle trailer. This has a 3,000 PSI 5.5 gallon a minute pressure washer and a 12 volt 7 gallon per minute soft wash system. Up front you can see we've got our soft wash panel here with our 100 PSI 7 gallon per minute pump. We've got our metering system installed, so it's going to meter your water, your surfactant, and your bleach. And we have tanks on board for all of those components. The nice thing about these metering systems is that it'll precisely meter your bleach. So whenever you're using it, it's got these numbers on here. Assuming that you're using a 12.5% concentrate, as you move this lever, it'll tell you exactly what percentage you're drawing as long as your water valve is all the way open. The numbers on all of the other valves are just kind of for a purpose just so you know exactly where you're at as far as what you're pulling, just to kind of give you an idea. Make sure you've always got your numbers where they need to be. We have our NOCO charger system. So this is a charger and it's a maintainer. So if it goes a long period of time between uses, if you've got this plugged in, it'll just kind of trickle charge and keep your battery maintained, whether it's over winter or just over a few week period if you're not using the system. And then below we have our accumulator, and that just kind of helps regulate the flow, put a little bit less stress on the pump, and it helps the pump cycle less as well. And then the power switch we just have right here in order to turn on and off the system. Next to it we have our 7 gallon surfactant tank, and then we've got our 50 gallon bleach tank, and on the other side we have our 100 gallon water tank. On the water tank we have a 3/4 inch tank drain, which is available actually from the other side of the trailer, so we'll get to that here in a second. But we just like to be able to put a flexible drain on there so that you can either direct the water into a different area or just wash your hands or something real quick if you need to do that while you're on a job site. So at the rear of the trailer we have our 3 Titan hose reels. On the bottom we've got 100 foot of the 3/4 inch Flexzilla hose. In the middle we have 200 feet of the 3/8 pressure washer hose, and then on top we have 200 feet of the 1/2 inch soft wash hose. And like I said, these are all on the aluminum framed Titan hose reels. They've all got the stainless steel manifolds, so it's going to prevent corrosion over a longer period of time. On the face of the reels we add our locking connectors so that you've got everything nice and secure, and it kind of gives it a nicer look as well. We have our quick connect nozzles for the pressure washer, just easily accessible right here at the reel. They've all got locking pins, so nothing's going to move or rotate while you're driving down the road as well. Now we do have these stacked 3 high. Whenever we stack these 3 high, we put extra reinforcements so that this is not going to move. It's very stable, and you don't have to worry about it ripping up out of the floor or shifting while you're driving down the road. So just something to keep in mind if you're using these reels and stacking them yourselves, to make sure you're using plenty of extra reinforcements. From the opposite side of the trailer, you can actually get a little bit of a better view of the soap injector that's on the pressure washer reel that I didn't mention while I was on the other side. So we have it kind of zip tied up now with all of the chemical hose on there, but there's an adjustable injector included so that you can draw from your bleach tank through your pressure washer system as well. So you can pull your surfactant and your bleach through your soft wash system, and then you can drop that hose right down into your bleach and pull bleach through your pressure washer system too. So if you have 2 guys operating, both can be applying soap or rinsing with either system. On the water tank we have 2 hoses on top here. One is the fill hose. So on the fill hose on the underside of the tank there's actually a float valve in there as well. Once the water level reaches the float valve, it shuts off your water supply, and then as you start to use water through your soft wash system or your pressure washer, it'll continue to fill that tank, so you've got a nice water reservoir here. And then this is your cool bypass hose for your pressure washer. If you're not familiar with how the cool bypass works on a pressure washer, it's a hose that's connected to the unloader valve, and then whenever you're using your system, all of that water is going out through the wand assembly, and then as soon as you let off the trigger and the engine is idling, it's bypassing that water at the pump head. So whenever you have that cool bypass hooked up to your tank, you can recirculate that water from your tank to your pump head, keeping it nice and cool for a longer period of time, pretty much infinitely, as long as you've got fresh water inside your tank. And then back over to the pressure washer here. It has a Honda GX390 engine and the Comet RW series pump. So we use the belt drive pumps on a lot of these. They're Super reliable. We've had a lot of good luck with the RW series pumps. We have the external unloaders on there. We have a bleeder valve on the pump head so that you can prime your system easily. If you've ever ran a system off of a tank before, you know that there's air that gets in those lines, and sometimes it's hard to start those pumps. So when you have the bleeder valve on there, it kind of eliminates that problem, and then eliminates you damaging your pump seals as well. And then we have plenty of extra space on this system as well. We got the battery behind the soft wash with a little extra storage space if you want to add another bucket. There's plenty of space at the back if you wanted to add a surface cleaner, just stand it up against the back gate. If you've seen some of our other photos or videos, you'll see them kind of in that position back there. We have filters going to each component, so to the pressure washer and to the soft wash system, making sure that we're not getting any debris in there. We put ball valves in front of those so that you can shut off your water supply when the system's not running, clean those out really easily. So we try to make this a compact but very efficient system, something that's going to be reliable and that you're not going to have to, you know, shut down and work on it or replace components often. Just something that's going to work for you and help you make money with it. So if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. We're here 7:30 to 4 Monday through Friday. If you're on YouTube, you go down into the description, it'll take you to the link right to this for more information, or you can shoot us an email. We can answer any questions you have. Thanks.